Hi, I'm Mark Grice and today I'll be showing you how to wire in a key switch to our JM series motors. So if you want to wire in a key switch to the JM, you can simply remove the push button station. So if you unscrew the 4 screws, take off the lid, you have a purple, yellow, white and a red cable. Red is common, yellow is stop, purple is closed, white is open. So if I was to remove the 4 cables from the push button, take out the cable, then I have my key switch connections. So on the key switch you have the P, which is common, 2 is open and 1 is closed. So because you have a stop circuit in the JM, you have to put the red and the yellow together into the P. That will short out the stop circuit and the common. You will put your white into 2, which is the open, and your purple into 1, which is the close. So your red and yellow, which is the common, which is marked up as P. Your white is your open, which is marked up as 1. Your purple is closed, marked up 2. That is your key switch wiring complete. So I hope you found this video useful on the JM series motors. You can find more videos on our YouTube channel.